I'll be taking down my arch nemesis in no time. Then I'll come back and help you find your Frankie-Doodle. Hey, what are you doing?
Flappers, please. You have to give us that paper.
Give you Mr. Paper, but he's my friend.
I know it sounds weird, but we have to... Oh man, I wish I could just tell you.
Well, I gotta do this. Sorry, y'all. Snappers has been terrorizing my village for too long, and this is my chance.
If you beat Snappers and win the game, this whole world is going to explode!
Kid, what are you doing? You can't tell characters about the Gameoverse.
I have to.
Are you crazy? Static? Really? If the planet finds us, we'll all be float.
Ah!
Whoa! Hang on there. Whoa! Careful.
What the?
I'm okay.
You're nothing without your little backpack friend, aren't you?
How would you know?
Oh my gosh, it's almost found us.
Oh no, this is it. Now you've done it. We're all gonna die.
No!
Finally take him out.
They're trying to steal me. Run! Run for it!
What? I can't believe it. Thanks, Mr. Paper. You're my true friend.
No! What the? Oh my god!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is all my fault. I can't believe another world is going to die because of me.
It's not over yet, kid.
Gobbles, I'm sorry. Should have listened to you.
Kid, it's okay.
I was just so caught up in...
Kid, listen! I know you're dealing with a lot, but I'm here. We're here. Together. There's still so much we can do. You're too hard on yourself, kid. None of this is your fault. None of anything you ever did is your fault. All you ever wanted to do was save people. Well, there's still time. We can still do something.
How?
Flappers gave us the name of his arch nemesis, Snappers. He still has some mini-bosses to beat, and I'm sure we can find out where Snappers is and beat him there.
That could work.
So let's go.
How did you get like this?
Get like what?
I don't know. Courageous? Uplifting? You were so nervous before.
I'm a Learnosaurus, kid. That's what I do. I learn from the world. Around me, from Flappers. And from you.
Let's go save the world.
Whoa, Sharkano.
Oh, for crying out loud, Snappers!
That's Caboodle! Let's go!
How is your aim this bad?
Who dares into my lair?
Come on, Snappers, do that for the real enemies! Alright, let's get... Kid?
Who dares into my lair?
No!
Ah, then win!
Come on, man.
Have you been here this whole time?
Yeah, basically. I figure if I can't find you, I might as well train the, arch nemesis over here. Whoa! Nice shot, by the way.
Thank you.
A floaty.
Wait, you mean they followed you?
Yeah, and it gets worse. They found...
What?
Snappers! Flappers the super dolphin has arrived!
Who dares enter my land?
It's me, Flappers, the super dolphin.
Huh?
Kit and Gobbles? Mr. Paper was right! You were working with Snappers all along!
I'm sorry, Flappers. I know it sounds weird, but we're trying to help.
Mr. Paper!
Yes! This is I, Mr. Paper. Anyway, don't listen to these traitors! Just follow the plan and take out Snappers!
We've seen everything you've done to train snappers, Farcade. There's no way Flappers will lose.
Is that Mrs. Paper?
No!
I won't let you do this, Syntax scum!
Deja vu! The backpack! You didn't tell me the backpack was the one training Snappers!
He's a backpack?
You're damn right I am.
Get Snappers!
Right! I've waited 20 years to rip you apart!
Flappers, no!
This is my land.